What's up, Len?
Hey, what's up, Andy? What's going on?
Not much. I got some questions we're going to answer. We're going to drive around, talk about some black ice.
You got questions printed and we're just going to talk?
We're just going to talk.
Well, that sounds pretty interesting.
Yeah. What do you think? We should show them?
I think that we should show them. Yeah,
I don't
let's
think
definitely show them.
Sue's not going to let us use this Mercedes.
In the Mercedes?
No.
Come on. All right, well, I got a better idea.
You got a better idea?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Black ice driving tips.
The best thing to do is to be calm and just try to go straight through it. You don't want to turn, you don't want to slam on the brakes. If the steering wheel starts being like, oh, you know, why is my power steering working so well?
Yeah.
It's not the power steering, it's
Oh,
the
really?
front wheels.
They're just coming loose?
Yeah, you like were hitting the brake and you feel the brake vibrating. Most likely that's the ABS. I mean, once you start to slide, you gotta like just steer into it.
Yeah.
Like if you're sliding to the right, steer towards the right. Just like my poor car.
Right? No, he drives it like this all the time. At regular ice you can see.
Yeah,
Generally.
that's
You know what I
true.
mean?
Black
you see
ice, you
that
don't
there's
know.
ice all bumpy and, you know, a mess right there. And the reason why it's called black ice is basically just because it's such a thin layer of ice
Yeah.
on top of the surface that it just kind of shows the color of the surface through it.
We hope you had fun watching that video. We had a lot of fun making it.
Yeah, we did. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Make sure you turn on all notifications
And ring that bell.
Did you give Jeff his keys back? Oh,
Oops.
Oops.